There is nothing affordable about that bill they are calling affordable housing. It actually should be called an affordable housing bill. Reason, ukienda Mlolongo saa hii, wa China wako huko, wamejenga nyumba mahali inaitwa Great Wall. Wamejenga nyumba ya 2 bedroom, wamenunua plot. Wameweka pesa yao. Wamejenga, they are selling at 3.2 million. Sasa huyu jamaa naye anakuja anachukua shamba yenu kwanza. Alafu anaingia mifuko anatoa pesa. Alafu anajenga anauzia watu 3.15 million. Isn't that market rate? What is affordable about that house? And I'm saying with authority, so mimi ni mtu wa mjengo, mimi ni mtu I'm an architect. So I'm telling the botanist to know that botany is not architecture. Please come and ask us. Stop lying to Kenyans. There is nothing affordable about those houses.
Affordable housing began with President Uhuru when he was doing the Big Four. Big Four, by the Big Four, ilikuwa na housing, affordable housing, ilikuwa na mambo ya health, ilikuwa na universal health care, there was manufacturing and food security. Those were the main four. Uhuru, na mbunge wa Starehe atakuja hapa, awaambia. Uhuru built affordable housing without asking for a single penny from Kenyans. Those houses are in Starehe. The MP will come here and tell you, na ziko kwingine kwingi zimejengwa. Hata zingine mnaona zikifunguliwa saa hii, zilianzishwa na Uhuru. He did not ask for money. When Uhuru said kila Mkenya awe na universal health cover and was going around the country pushing, he never increased this money. So what has changed between that position and now?
The reason we are very personal about that issue of affordable housing ni sababu wamejipatia supply ya hizo vitu zote zitajenga hizo nyumba. Mambo ya kimiti ni wao. Mambo ya zile steel zitatumika ni yao. Hivyo they have given themselves all those tenders to supply for the building of those houses, of that housing project. Wakituambia ni ati employment wanataka to create. If they want to create employment in this country, let them work on the dollar so that investors can keep coming. Let them work on reducing the cost of production in this country so that different companies, manufacturing can thrive in this country, cottage industries can thrive in this country. And when they make the business environment work, we will not need them to build houses or to tax people to build houses in the name of their creating employment. If they allow the business environment to work, if they make the cost of doing business in this country, come down, then the jobs will naturally come. But sasa kutuambia ati hii nyumba ndio italeta makazi, na ni wao wanajitengenezea kazi. Ni hata mgani ataweza kununua nyumba for 3 million? It's all a lie, it's all manipulation, and from today we condemn and we rebuke the spirit of lies and manipulation in this country.